Them never call him Savage again. Them never call him Tomich. A sign language him going to use. Go ahead with the box down a shop.
Which box, Shepherd?
The box of grocery my pack.
So, how when you pack the grocery?
So when you pack the grocery... Oi, you ever see me come here and grocery no pack? And if you no pack it, then me I go pack it. Favor. Oi, come help me with the box.
I'm winning pack that.
You see that's why motor roads are phone call.
Come, cause me no want to dump and my hand no work. Come to help him.
Let me go. Don't tell me caca. Don't tell me caca. Follow for me call him. I'm not telling you.
But we are help you.
Help me do what? Eh? Only young people feel like say, I'm not stronger than anybody else, you know. I'm not stronger than me. Alright?
You know, sir, party send your message and me that check it.
Say what? From the time me ask you, I beg you no same thing. Me say if it's beg, I or beg you no anything.
But you know if you not answer, shall
Look here. I might be old, but I ain't cold. Oh.
Shepherd!
Yeah, I don't know, it's a girl Xpressionz represent for Atwax International Zone. Right? Yo, Atwax, tell them say we forever bad. Tell a sound boy say we forever bad. Tell them say a bravery, shot or feisty. Sassy and waiting, a sound boy can't page we. And tell a sound boy say we forever bad. And tell them say we forever bad. Atwax, and we go so nowhere. Bambly bang, bambly bang, bambly bang. Yeah, put this on it. Take 500 out of the money there. Yeah.
I rich girl. So,
Yeah. Yeah, right, shit, no cheap. Alright. Okay.
What you guys sitting here? Where's? Come on. Chest down.
Mayo, you take me for that. I third time this now the people am tell me say late, you know. With them deliver my I want to you. Don't tell me no for you. Not some business going on. Hey, you know say two man every day on the ground making a rampant man business say you. Yo, now all the people am tell me say them gonna find different beer service. Hey, don't fuck up in a you. You may I tell you no? Don't chat to you, you. You may I tell you? Yeah, come and give yo, you chat up him out like you arm to you.
I too bad up to let you give them still in a pretty. Man, too bad up to let you give them.
No, man.
But something missing.
What do you mean?
The fire the way you used to have, you're not happy again.
Too cute. The pregnancy will be more bad. And you know me if I do? Watch the news with children. Because I don't know why children have to be so damn hard-headed. And get your blessing, man.
My, you just have to be a chatting. Me never hear nothing where you say. Right now, me just plug out all of that bag of foolishness where you chat. Hey, nurse, easy no man, what you do?
Mr. Sheldon, it's time for the bag to be changed.
You know see me I talk on the phone.
Mr. Sheldon, please.
Please, one man. You see me dey on the phone, lady? Me dey on the phone. My you hear me I say. Let's go park the bike around a dada. And left the key to hear that.
You sure this you want?
Yeah. I'm sure this one. For sure.
Alright. You know me will support you with any decision, right?
Yeah. No. Girl, thanks very much. Cause my manager want me to dash to the belly and name something there. And honestly, it's like me at work. I'm not paid the nurse at the same time. I'm stressed out, I'm tired. So I'm just grateful to say even there with me. So thanks very much, friend.
Love you so much,
I
friend.
love you too.
Mr. Sheldon, I need to change your bag so I can give you the medication.
You know me say? Yo, right now, I never take more of them medication, you know, because I never like how they make me feel. You know?
The doctor said I need to take all your medication, Mr. Sheldon. It's special that you have a surgery coming up.
So what you gonna do? You gonna force me to take them?
No, sir. I am just encouraging you based on the doctor's request.
Them sitting there kill off all people even faster. Right now, some good food, man, why they come tell me about doctor request.
Food alone won't help you in this situation. You need the medication to help you to clear up whatever you have in your system.
Don't chat to you, you know.
Can I at least change the bag, sir?
Yo, give me a minute here, man.
Can I explain something to you, sir?
So what you say?
It is extremely important that your bag change on time every day because it can cause an infection and that will be an added stress for you and Miss Princess.
There's somebody with a drama, you know.
It's no drama. It's important to check for stoppage. So sometimes I have to check before the actual change in time.
So I can check it myself.
I know you can. I just want to make sure you know exactly what you're looking for in case there's stoppage.
What me look for? If the bag full, it have to stop?
Not only that, if the bag is above your bladder, that can cause stoppage as well.
You know, they're above my bladder, you know.
It's still my job to check, sir. All I'm asking you to do is to cooperate and allow me to carry out my daily duties. I am not trying to upset you.
Baba Sheldon. Pretty me, I put down these.
Where you get the lady problem, Sheldon?
So you just reach and you just assume say me I get the woman problem.
Cause we know where you stay.
How me stay?
What you mean, how you stay?
You know, say more like a little sell out more while. Who for side you there, pan?
You live on nobody's side, Sheldon.
Sheldon later. Pretty. Love you. If you need me, call me.
Alright, cool. Me live on nobody's side, sir. Doesn't have nothing to do with it. You have something to do when she have to do it. You allow her to do it. She's the nurse.
Miss Princess, it's okay. Everything is fine.
You hear that? Everything is fine.
Everything, Sheldon. Everything. Nurse, now pick up for me now. Cause big man and give himself too much damn trouble.
No, man, it's okay. We have an understanding.
By the way, wait this along, my girl.
You get a suck? You can't do nothing in peace. Every time you come out of the house, I say for 1 hour and 2 hours, good. I ask me when me there so long.
About 2 hours you gone now, no?
Not even gone for 1 hour. And for your information, I went to the clinic first and then we go do some dumb session.
Oh, so that means you're still at work?
Shannon, I told you dumb session I do. And I sit down me so that even come like work if you know me.
Yo, that's careful, you know. Come on, want nothing happen to my youth, you hear that?
Oh, so you only care about your youth. What to your baby mother?
She need to know what she do. Cause she no big woman.